So class 10, today we have to discuss exercise 6.4 based on area theorem that we have studied. Okay, so first question here is saying that if ABC and DEF are any two triangles which are similar and their areas are respectively given to you as 64 and 121, then they've given side EF of one triangle as 15.4 centimeter. Then you have to find BC of the other triangle which was similar to it. Okay, so we know that if two triangles are similar by area theorem, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF should be square of the ratio of the area is proportional to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So with AB comes DE, with BC comes EF, and with AC comes DF. Okay, so that is by area theorem. Okay, square is missing from here, children, correct it yourself. Okay, then now we knew EF, this side was known to us, and BC has to be evaluated. Okay, so forget about rest of the ratios, just take this equation here. We know both the areas, we know EF, we'll be able to find the fourth unknown BC. So we would say, since we know EF is this, ABC's area is this, DEF's area is this, and because of area theorem this result, so putting the values, area of ABC was given as 64, area of DEF was 121, EF was 15.4. Put the values to find BC. Now children, see, you have to find BC, and here in the formula, in the equation, you have BC square. Okay, so for calculation convenience, what is advised is, rather than कि आप इसको लिखो 64 into 15.4 into 15.4 upon 121 and then find its under root will become very lengthy. So we take the root previously only. Okay, so we can consider root both the sides because it was BC square and we had to find simply BC. So we will consider under root at this stage. Okay, considering under root, because 64 is also a perfect square, 121 is also a perfect square, so our work is going to be easy. So that becomes 8 upon 11 and this becomes BC upon 15.4. This happens by taking under root of this equation. Clear? Now for finding BC, you have to cross multiply this 15.4 to the other side. So it will become 8 into 15.4 upon 11. Cancel it out. 11 ones are 11. 11 fours are 44. Okay, so 8 into this much gives you your answer. Clear? Okay. Now the next question says, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to BC intersect each other at point O if AB is twice of CD. Then you have to find the ratio of triangle AOB and COD so formed. Okay, so here is the figure for that. Okay, so you can see here in this figure ABCD, a trapezium is given with AB parallel to CD, right? And then it was given that length of AB is twice of CD, and these two triangles that are being formed here, we have to find the ratio of their areas. That's what your question is. All right, so now these two triangles will be similar. How are they similar? Angle OAB, so angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Alternate angles, these lines were given parallel, so this angle is alternate with this. You could have taken this angle and this angle also. Okay, or you can take this angle and this angle vertically opposite. So anyhow you will get two angles of both the triangles equal. Okay, so right now it has been considered that this angle A of first triangle and C of the other are equal. Likewise angle B of the first is equal to angle D of the second. The reason remaining the same, alternate angles. ये एक alternate pair है, ये other alternate pair है. आप यहाँ पे vertically opposite भी ले सकते हो. Okay, it's your choice. So anyhow, show any of the two angles and prove these two triangles similar. Okay, so because of AA criteria, these two triangles will be similar. All right. This is too much of elaboration. You can cut short your working. Okay, itna zyada, because we are doing it for explanation. So writing all the steps, you can just cut it short straight away. Start from here and triangle this and this. Mention any two angles. Third is also not required. Okay, so say by AA criteria, because if two angles are equal, third automatically has to be equal. Okay, so showing two angles is sufficient. Now, so the triangles are similar. Now, if the triangles are similar, we can apply area theorem for similar triangles, which says area of AOB upon COD. These were our two similar triangles, right? And that is what the question is. We have to find the ratio of their areas. So we are considering the ratio of the areas. By area theorem, we will say should be, we can take any of the corresponding sides. So since we know the relation between AB and CD, so we've taken AB, with that we've taken CD. So this ratio would be AB square upon CD square, or you can write AB upon CD whole square. Then it was given that AB is twice of CD. So put that value here. Then your CD and CD will get cancelled. So you will be left with 2 upon 1's square, or 2 square, which is 4. 1 is square is 1. So the ratio will be 4:1. Right? Okay, next we have in question number 3. Following figure is given to you already, and then you have ABC. Can you see that? Okay, so here is your triangle ABC. You have it in your books also. This figure is already given to you. You can check from there. So ABC and DBC is the other one. DBC. Okay, these are two triangles on the same base BC. Okay, this is the common base. So BC में एक triangle ये बना है, एक triangle ये बना है. Got it? Okay, that is what is told to you. But anyhow, the figure is given. But you have to be prepared. In exam, it can happen that the figure is not given. So you should know how to make it. Okay. So now, if AD intersects BC at O, clear? Then you have to show that area of ABC and area of DBC, these two triangles which have the same base BC, would be proportional to AO upon DO, these lengths. Okay, now for this question, children, there is this construction that you have to keep in mind. It won't be possible without this construction. Okay, so here's the solution. Okay, so as they have told you here, that let us draw two perpendiculars. So what are you going to do is, we have to show the area of the triangles proportional or ratio proportional to these two sides. Okay, these two lengths AO and DO. That was a question. So what are we doing is, from A and D we are dropping perpendicular on that common base. So let us draw two perpendiculars AP and DM on that common base BC. Clear? You'll have to remember this construction. Otherwise that question won't be possible. Okay. We know that area of triangle is given by half base into height. We know that formula for area of triangle. Now, if I have to consider area of triangle ABC and also of DBC. These were the two triangles in question whose areas ratio I had to take. Okay. So by using a formula half base into height, both of them have the same base. Okay, so half into base will remain BC for both. Height we have just now made AP for the first and DM for the other one. So your half BC gets cancelled. Your ratio or this comes proportional to AP upon DM. Okay, call that as one result. That one result we will note down. And now we are considering these two small triangles that were formed here. That is triangle AP O and DMO. These two triangles will easily come out to be similar. Okay, you can give any condition. One is vertically opposite, right angle. So in these two triangles, angle APO and DMO are 90 each. And angle AOP and DOM are vertically opposite. These two small angles here. Okay. So by AA criteria, again, these two triangles are similar. Now, if they are similar, what happens? Their sides are in proportion. Okay. So, now next would be here. Because these two triangles came out to be similar, so their corresponding sides will be proportional. So, one of the side that was AP and corresponding to that was DM will now become proportional to AO of the first triangle and DO of the second triangle. ये हमें proof में लाना था, right? ये हमें formula में मिल गया था, these two line segments, and this we wanted in the proof. So we are just considering these sides of these are corresponding sides of similar triangle. So in the next step, in this first equation that you had obtained out here, you will replace your AP upon DM by AO upon DO, and you have your proof in hand. This is what you had to prove. Okay. So there are some things missing out here, children. Like I've told you, you will name this as equation 1. Call this as equation 1. Call this as result 2. And then you say substituting 2 in 1. Then this, hence proved. Okay. So just finish it off, the writing part properly. Okay. Let's see the next question, which is fourth one, is saying here, if area of two similar triangles are equal, then you have to prove that they will also be congruent. Two similar triangles such that their areas are equal will have to be congruent. Okay. So we are considering these two triangles out here which are similar as well as the areas are equal. Then we'll have to show that they are congruent as well. Okay. So let us assume two similar triangles ABC similar to PQR. Then if that is true, if the triangles are similar, we can apply area theorem, because we had to talk about area in the question. So area of ABC upon area of PQR would be proportional to the square of the corresponding sides. AB, PQ, BC, QR, AC, PR ka squares. That is from area theorem. Okay, that is your first result. Now we were already given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of PQR, or that would give you, you can bring this PQR to the other side of the equation, or we can say dividing throughout by PQR. This is the equation you will get. Okay, इस result से ये follow करता है, dividing by PQR कह सकते हो. So PQR upon PQR becomes 1 on right hand side, left hand side will give area of ABC upon area of PQR. आप ये कहो कि this we have taken to the left hand side, so we are left with 1 here. Alright, so this whole can be replaced by 1 now in equation 1. That was your second result. So by this if you substitute this in equation 1, then all this becomes equal to 1. So 1 by 1 now if you keep taking them,